everyone. So today we just arrived in Iwava. So actually today is Easter. I would like to say happy Easter for those of you who celebrate, and we are going to Damian's house and visit Mama and Papa, and also Damian's brother gonna come, so we will have a Easter lunch. Wow, this is I think the first time I'm gonna meet them all. I'm super happy, super excited, and this is actually the Iwava, the city lake, something like that. So we will stroll around and show you how it is the city during holiday season. Wow, seems like everything, start blooming and spring is already coming. It's so beautiful, nice weather. It's not that very cold, and I can feel the warmth of the sunshine. So yeah, very nice.
So the most important question is for you, Sayang. Yo, what's up, by the way, everybody? Do you feel cold?
Not really. Nowadays, not really. Like 23 degrees, something like that. If I can compare, like, it feel like you are in Kintaman in Bali, something like that, in the high hills. So not really cold.
And tell me, what did you say to me previously? As you walked last time 6 kilometers from the one place to our apartment, right. and you didn't feel that tired, right?
No, it's totally different. And then one thing is that maybe most of you are curious that do I feel safe walking alone in Poznan, because Damian is working every day, and then I walk to the Reunited, I walk to the city center by myself every morning, and I feel so far safe. And yeah,
that's the most important thing. So technically it's Easter Sunday, and we are in Iwava, next to the longest lake in Poland, as you can see actually. Quite a lot of people coming for the afternoon walk, right?
Yes.
That's cool. And also there's a brand new apartments here overlooking the lake, Cukiernia Sowa, but it's closed. Obviously it's Sunday, some people enjoying. And the lakes, a little bit of the nature, and everything is getting slowly green, right?
Very
so
nice.
Cool. Slowly, it will be greener next month. So, Sayang, how do you feel so far in Poland?
Well,
it's been how many days? 3 days, 4 days?
Right. So it's really enjoyable. I know that some people saying like Poland is cold. It's cold, and then gray. And what I see is that you definitely need to come here first and feel it, so you can decide. But for me personally, so far, I really enjoyed so far, and I feel comfortable wherever I go, and it's easy for me to navigate everything. I know that somehow wherever you work, the public notice board or something like that, they written in Polish, but now it's easy, you just open. If you don't know how it is says or what does it mean, you just open your phone and Google Translate and then check. So now it's very easy traveling wherever you go. So going by the tram, but so far I didn't go by the tram. I just walk around to feel the warmth of Poland and the warmth of Polish people. Well, basically, I just want to share you once. I was lost while I walk around and explore, and then I just asked the Polish people surround me. They are very helpful and they are very friendly. So yeah, it's nice experience for me so far.
The sunset sun is a little bit cloudy, but I see some even little restaurant is open here during the Easter, which is actually kind of big surprise for me. But it's open, which is cool, and some little playground, kids enjoying, right?
Yeah, what I see is that it's very, Polish people are very family oriented.
Yeah.
So
people ask there are so many people with the stories.
Yes.
Of the kids going out.
Right.
Yeah, it's actually very common here, right?
Yeah. So it's very nice. I'm saying very nice. It's not just because of I'm married with a Polish guy, but I experienced that. That's why I said what I experienced so far.
The most important thing is that you look relaxed. That's the most important thing. You are not scared or stressed, right?
No, so far not.
So normally there's also restaurants and overlooking the lake and everything, and there are boats where you can cruise around. However, it's Easter, so everything is closed mostly actually, and just people spending time with the family. but it's still a great opportunity to go out a little bit and enjoy. And this is actually the longest lake in Poland. However, it's just the beginning of the lake, and it's finishing like 50 kilometers from here, technically speaking.
Yeah.
And this is first time for you in Iwama, right?
Right, and then what I, want to share you is just like I feel so peaceful actually walking here, enjoying the town, and then one thing, no traffic jams.
I mean, it's just generally, even the place like this one is totally different than anywhere in Southeast Asia, right?
Right.
In wherever country will be in Southeast Asia, it's just simply different, right?
Like you are coming from the, let's say, crowded places, now coming here, it's just like very, I don't know, enjoyable, peaceful. So yeah, I enjoy it so far.
So there's the entrance to the mall, which is closed, and there's like a wooden patch a little bit or something, and the kids and everyone familiar with the birds, enjoying the time. There's boat. And this is like I was saying, every tree is going to be green soon. It's getting slowly. So whenever you come here next time, maybe in April or May, there will be everything greens.
Right.
So cool, right?
And I think much busier than today, right?
Right, and more busier. Actually, they're filming something also in the between. You see, they're gonna make a TikTok actually.
No, one thing that I just realize so far when I come here, it's totally that I see it's like family oriented. Many families are here so far in Iwava, and then in Poland in general.
Alright, we come back home after our trip. This is my mama family home, as you can see. Actually, maybe you are familiar from my first video. Weather has changed, it's actually more sunny and more beautiful, and you can hear also the sound of the nature a little bit.
And one thing is that it's super crispy, fresh air. Surround us is a lots of green things. So your mama and papa living in such a paradise. What I said, sunshine, blue sky. Look at this! Wow.
You like it?
Yes.
That's the most important thing. Spring is coming, so the bird is squeaking. That will be the wheat field later in the spring, because the local farmer changed the idea and they're gonna be there. Almost like a rice field, huh?
Ah, very nice weather and
Fresh.
oh my god. I fly about 20 hours from Bali to Poland. This is called paradise.
Something different, right? That's my also house, and my papa prepared the wood for the winter, but he didn't burn all during the winter, so he have another one or two, but he will prepare more for sure. And basically, if you go that direction, you can just walk to the forest, to the woods, and yeah, this is something different.
Are we going to have a bear hunt?
Bear hunt. Yeah, no bears, but they are deers and mooses sometimes, so it's still cool enough actually.
Go ahead, look what is running. Is
What?
it a
What?
deer? 3 deers.
Oh yeah.
Look like that. Look.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There are 3 deers over there.
Wow.
So cool, huh?
Amazing.
Cool. You can find. I told you the animals here actually.
They live in a free here, not in the cage. So this is
This is it.
I just speechless. Look.
Yeah. Say what I did.
Oh, this looks like rice paddies in Bali. The green thing, can I pick it?
I think we'll be fine.
Look, you see? Very nice.
It's like a rice, just the wheat is growing.
Right. Nice.
Just no water in it.
No, but very cool.
But look how big field is it actually. So big, huh? So my family house is actually at the edge of the village, because from the house there is nothing else facing the forest, only the woods, so it's empty space. And just previously we could hear the sounds of the church, because the cities and church is like 4 kilometers from here. And overall just sound of silence and birds, some doggos in the background. This is it. Just peaceful and calm, so young. Are you scared here walking alone with me?
No.
Enjoyable, isn't it?
Honey, I got lots of fresh air and the sunshine. What do you ask more?
No pollution here.
No traffic jam.
That's cool.
So cool. It's the feeling is just like I am on the Teletubbies hill. You know Teletubbies kahanya?
Tak, I know.
Like Tinky Winky
That's still our era.
yeah, in the 90s. And look, the sunshine really likes, you know, all my childhood movies about the, you know, Western life. And it's just like coming to reality. Wow. So I'm super happy. I'm super grateful. It's like a dream come true.
And different life, huh?
Right. Wow.
Just be careful, Sayang, don't fall down. That's my papa wood already prepared for the next season. Actually, he prepared for one season, but the winter wasn't that cold. That's why, don't worry, always will be warm at home, okay?
Papa is about 70 years
73.
old. And then he is doing it by himself.
Tak, yes.
Wow. So what's sort of hard working Papa?
Right, all of the wood he brought from the forest, from the woods, then throw it away, then cut this off, then chop it off, and then put nicely like this one. It was actually more when I was in September. Even in September, once I helped him, remember? Tak. So it's like tunnels of the wood actually. But this is it. Here and there and go like this.
Alright, I think that's all our video today, guys, from Iwava. It's very hard to pronounce. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time, because we will have a, you know, our family time, so our video is a bit shorter, but so far this is just like the update how we are.